Hello, I've got a 1999 V8 Dodge Dakota motor that's torn apart, and if you're having timing chain issues, this is what you would spend a lot of time getting to look at. The main problem with these motors is there's these pads. They're made of a silicone, kind of almost like a chromatic, very hard, but over time they do wear out depending on the miles and the oil changes and just how hot the area is that you live in, things like that. But there's one set, there's the one on the outside, and then there's also two more behind this gear. One that runs to the, if you're sitting in the car, the left end, and then one that runs to the right head, which has already been removed. And as I said before, this is the V8, but if you are having timing chain issues or any, it'll sound like a grinding in the front of your motor, because what happens is, and each of these timing chains has its own tensioner and own set of pads. So when they do wear out, you will be wearing on not the pad anymore, which is this little piece right here. You'll be wearing on the metal backing plate. So this chain will be rubbing on that metal backing plate, which makes an awful lot of noise. So I hope that helps a little bit and gives you an idea of what you're turning into. Again, this is a 1999 Dodge Dakota with the V8. That is the Sport. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. I'd be happy to help. Have a great day.